Okay, so you're welcome to today's edition of our course. Today we are going to be learning about whiteboard animation. So what we'll be doing first is I've already taught the 3D, so I know that you now understand the processes. So I click here, then I click on create video. With the 3D we just clicked on this interface, but here we'll move down. Then this is 3D animation. This is whiteboard animation toolkit. So we click on it. Then you scroll down. So as you scroll down, you come and meet the create now. Then you click on create now. So in our first lesson, I already taught how to load a scene, that's load a preset or add a scene. Now we know how to do both. So I'm going to be adding just a scene in there for the sake of whiteboard animation. Then I will teach you some other aspects that I didn't mention of in the whiteboard or the 3D animation. So when I click on it, I wait patiently for it to come. Now this also has its own scenes. A lot of scenes are here that I can choose, but I want some particular type of scenes that will allow me to insert certain things for my gallery. So I click on this icon here, then I search for text holders. Or okay, so first of all I want to look at text image. First of all, let's look at image holders, right? So this is a scene. These are scenes, so image holders, right? Now let's scroll down and look at something. So this is like a signboard with images on it. So let me choose this one. Then I click on insert, right? Then I will be told this. When I click on one, let me show you. When I click on this one, it tells me to upload an image, so I can click on upload here. So when I click on upload, it takes me to my gallery. So let's say I have this image here, then done. So I just adjust the image. This image is too big. Okay, let me look at the scaling. Okay, let me scale the image so with the scaling, this is the scaling, plus, minus, and plus. So if you want the image to fit into the box, you just scale it, then it will fit. Then I click on done. See, this is done. So when I click on done, you realize that the image has appeared in the video. Then I click on this. So are you looking for the best? Right, then I save. So this is my scene. Now I have been able to add a picture from my gallery to this. You can do so for whiteboard animation as well, right? Then I click on plus sign. I want to add. Now I have added an image. Let me click here again and show you something. I have clicked. Then I'm looking for, first I did image holder. Now I want to look for text holders. So there are a lot of text holders. I just look at it. So this is like they are giving a presentation to someone. So I click on insert. Then I write what I want to be there. So congratulations on winning this amazing prize. Then I click on save changes. So what I have written has become part of the video, right? So I have inserted is like a text. They are holding something. Now let me click on the plus sign again and show you another thing. Now this time around I want to add a video. So I come and click on video holders. Let me click on. I come and click on this, video holders. So when I click on video holders, it allows me to choose a video from my gallery. Then I'll put inside. So let me choose the person holding the phone. Then so when I click on this particular part, right, when I click on it to tell me upload. So upload, I go to my files. So when I go to files, let me check where I have some videos. Okay, in short, have some short video here, right? So I have inserted this video. I can adjust the video, the length of the video. I can do adjustment. I can split the video into different parts, right? And even so I have splitted it. Do you understand? It's very simple. I can trim the video to the way I want it. Now I have been able to add a video. Then I click on done. So now I've added a video to the video I have created, right? So then I move to the next, which is the layers panel. So I click on the layers panel. Then I choose the way I want it to be, whether it to be cut and paste or board drawn. So let me say I want it cut and paste. Then it has been saved. This one doesn't have anything like transition. It's just cut and paste or drawn. That's how the text will translate. Then I can choose a font. Then I go to colors, right? So the colors too, I can change the colors. So we have custom colors. When I go to custom colors, now when I click on main color, I can change the color to my specification, right, based on what I'm doing. You see, so I can change the color anyhow I want it. Then I click on music, so I can decide to add some music just to spice it up. So let me see. So this music has been added. Then I click and then I preview my work for free. So you see that it is very simple. There's no difficulty in it. All you need to do is to know the technique. So in the first video I taught you how to go about the processes. In this video I have taught you how to add things from your gallery into it. You can also add a logo or something. So in our next video we're going to learn how to create a logo using render forest. After that I'll teach you how to make a reveal of the logo. For instance, you are creating a video and you want to reveal the logo, how you do it, just like this video when you were watching it, how the logo was revealed. Okay, so now it appears very nice, very nice. So this is how the video is going to appear. See, so simple. Then I just click on a download, then I download it. Very simple. So that is it. Thank you for joining this class.